Take few examples. N equivalent to 2 power 8 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 4 into 11 power 3. 2 power 8 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 4 into 11 power 3. Factors. Factors for n which are perfect squares. Factors for n which are perfect squares. Factors power n which are perfect square. Divide the power by 2. 8 by 2 plus 1. 7 by 2 plus 1. 4 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Right? 7 by 2, it is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? 4 by 2, it is 2 plus 1. It is 3. 3 by 2, 1.5. Ignore decimal. 1 plus 1, 2. 23s are 60. 62s are 120. Answer for this question is 120. Factors for n which are perfect square. Power should be divided by 2 and add 1. Why we are adding 1? 2 power 0, 3 power 0 and so on. 8 by 2 plus 1. 7 by 2 plus 1. 4 by 2 plus 1. And 3 by 2 plus 1. And 3 by 2 plus 1. One more example. N equivalent to 2 power 13 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 9. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect square is 13 by 2, 6 plus 1. 6 by 2, 3 plus 1. 9 by 2, 4 plus 1. So this is nothing but 7 into 4 into 5. 7 into 4 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140. 27s are 140. I hope the concept is clear. Which factors, how to determine the factors which are perfect squares? How to determine the factors which are perfect square? Maria, if you write, already Kabir has answered that question. If we write normally, then its power is 0 now. No, your statement is right. If we write 2 normally, then its power is 0. If I write 2 normally, how can the power be 0? Power is 1, right? Is it clear? Right? You wanted to ask something, but you asked something. Kabir has understood what exactly you wanted to ask. Factors for n which are perfect squares. Factors for n which are perfect squares. Another example. Please write down. Another example. Next 3 examples are very, very important. Concept. We will discuss a concept. We will discuss a concept. Suppose if I take 36. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. What are the factors of 36? Factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are all the factors of 36. So, how many total number of factors for 36? How many are there? We will see. How to find out the total number of factors? Total number of factors for 36 is 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 2, 3. 3 3s are 9. Totally I got 9 factors. 1 is a factor of 36, 2 is a factor of 36 and 36 is a factor of 36. Now there is a beautiful key point through this example. There is a beautiful key point through this example. A number is a perfect square. A number is a perfect square. A perfect square will always have power either an even number or 0. It can have more than one prime basis also. P1 power 2k1 into P2 power 2k2 into P3 power 2k3 and so on. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. If it is 2, 2 by 2, 1 plus 2, total number of factors. Total number of factors will be 2 square here, 0 to 2. Total how much I will get? 3. Here 0 to 2. How much I will get? 3. 3 into 3 total how much it is? 9. If it is even, 0 to even. 0 to even is nothing but odd number. Am I right? If the power is an even number, total how many factors I will get? 0 to even. 0 to even is odd. If it is 2 power 4, 0 to 4 is 5. If it is 6, 3 power 6, 0 to 6 is 7. If the power is an even number, number of factors is started from 0. 0 to even number is odd. Am I right? 0 to even number is odd. 0 to even number is odd. 0 to even number is odd. Extremely important key point, please write down. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. Please make a note of it. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. Please make a note of it. Why a perfect square number should have odd number of factors? Explanation. A perfect square will have power even number. A perfect square will have power even number. 0 to even number, if I am counting the number of factors, if I am counting the number of factors, 0 to even number, it is an odd number. So, perfect square will have power even number. Number of factors for a perfect square is 0 to even is odd. 0 to even is odd. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. If a perfect square always has odd number of factors. Example, 36 is a perfect square. 0 to even is odd. 0 to even is odd. Odd into odd is odd. Odd into odd is odd. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. If a number is given to you, if the power is an even number, it will always have odd number of factors. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. A perfect square always has odd number of factors. Write down one more key point. Write one more key point. Extremely conceptual class, sir. Very, very important conceptual class. If a number is a perfect square, if a number is a perfect square, this will have odd number of factors. This will have odd number of factors. Odd number of factors. If a number is a perfect square, it will have odd number of factors. If a number got odd number of factors, it is also a perfect square. Odd number of factors. If it has got odd number of factors, that means power is an even number. If the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Then the number is a perfect square. Both the cases it is true. 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 What is the case? If a number is a perfect square, it has odd number of factors. If a number has got odd number of factors, definitely the number is a perfect square. Definitely the number is a perfect square. Example. Example. If n is, right, n is 2 square into 3 power 4 into 5 power 6. N is 2 square into 3 power 4 into 5 power 6. Factors of n. Factors of n will be factors of n will be 0 to 2 is 3, 0 to 4 is 5, 0 to 6 is 7, 15 sevens are 105, 15 sevens are 105. Factor is an odd number. If the factor is an odd number, power will be an even number. 2, 4, 6, it is an even number. If the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Then the number is a perfect square. Factors for n is 3, 5, 7. Why we got 3? 0 to 2, 0 to 4, 0 to 6. Next one. If n has got 37 factors, if n has got 37 factors, if n has got 37 factors, n nature is, what is the nature of a n? Some options are given. Perfect square, perfect cube, 4th power, 6th power. 37 is an odd number. 37 is an odd number. 37 is an odd number. If the number of factors are odd, if the number of factors are odd, then that number is a perfect square. What is the nature of n? Nature of n is a perfect square. n is a perfect square. If the number of factors is odd, then the number is a perfect square. These both the examples are very basic primitive examples, basic understanding of concept. Now I will take little advanced examples. Little advanced examples I will take. If a number is a perfect square, it always has odd number of factors. If a number is a perfect square, it always has odd number of factors. Now example 3, please write down. Example 3. You want concepts in your class. You want to solve every problem in a logical way, right? Then ANC YouTube channel is for you. To all the students who are watching this class, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell notification, so that in case if my team does not send a class link, still you can get access to that link. Still you can get access to that link. In case if my team probably will not be able to do it because of any external reasons, till April 14th, I will be cooperating with my employees even if they do not do job in time because of some external reasons, right? Probably I will take up their role. I hope it is clear, right? Third example. Kindly download our Anil Nair classes app. I am sure I already told you, in case if any student is there who is a new user who downloaded our app, ANC app, because your friends have said and everything, you will get 36 hours shortcut video course freely for 1 month. Shortcut video course freely for 1 month. What you need to do is download our ANC app, send your name, email ID, mobile number, send your name, email ID, mobile number, and the screenshot showing that you downloaded the app. Screenshot from the mobile. Anyway, my team will check it out. They will get the Excel sheet. If you downloaded the app, you can WhatsApp to 9030 379 887. During this lockdown time, apart from my classes, you can watch 36 hours shortcut video course freely for 1 month. Freely for 1 month. 36 hour shortcut video course. In case if you are a new user, you are just listening to my class for the first time, you want to learn some more videos of mine, all the content will be new, right? You can go through 36 hours of shortcut video course freely for 1 month. Or in case if you want the access for 12 months, you will be charged for that. You will be charged for that. That we will discuss at the end of the class. Anyway, 5 students I will always give a discount. 36 hours shortcut video course freely for 1 month. Kindly take your mobile. In case if you are a new user, please do this thing. Please do this thing. Right? Praveen says screenshot is not coming in ANC app. Right? Please take a screenshot from another mobile. Right? If the screenshot is not coming in your mobile, take another mobile and take a screenshot. Now, 1 minute. Venkat Chendu, 105 is not a perfect square, not like 6 into 6. Right? I think Kausalya has already answered the question. Thanks, Kausalya. Naveen, what if the number is a multiple of 2 unit perfect squares? It does not matter. I will take some more questions. To all your friends, in case if you are watching the content for the first time, you can forward this information. Right? Take the screenshot and forward it to your friends in other colleges. Help them to learn 36 hours shortcut video course freely for 1 month. Freely for 1 month. 1 month I am giving access freely. Right? Naveen, I will take some more examples. Naveen is a friend of mine. Naveen, I will take few more examples to make you understand this concept clearly. Right? Please write down. Next one. Next concept. 9030379887. Kindly do this. Next one. Write down this question. How many natural numbers less than 65? How many natural numbers less than 65? How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? Please write down this question. How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? Any natural number less than 65. If a natural number is less than 65 and it has got odd factors, if a natural number has got odd factors, then the number is said to be a perfect square. If a natural number has odd number of factors, then the number is said to be a perfect square. What are all the perfect square less than 65? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so on up to 8 square. So till 8 square, total number of numbers less than 65 which has odd number of factors is 8. How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? Any natural number less than 65 with odd number of factors. Odd number of factors is nothing but a perfect square. What are all the perfect squares less than 65? 1 square, 2 square, till 8 square. Naveen, if you see here, there is one number here, 6 square, which will answer your question, which is 2 square into 3 square. These are two perfect squares. I hope it is clear. How many natural numbers less than 65 has odd number of factors? Another question. Please write down. It is factors and multiples session 1. Session 1 is always a basics class. Question 2. out of first 100 even natural numbers, 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 how many numbers, how many natural numbers, how many natural numbers has even number of factors, how many natural numbers has even number of factors. Write down the second question. Second and third are very very good questions. Out of first 100 even natural numbers, how many natural numbers has even number of factors? Listen carefully to this question. Listen carefully to this question. There are first 100 even natural numbers. 100 even natural numbers are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 hundreds are 20, 2 hundreds are 200. Totally these are 100 even natural numbers. Total these are 100 even natural numbers. These are 100 even natural numbers. Now see here. How many natural numbers has even number of factors? How many natural numbers has even number of factors? These are nothing but, if I want total even number of factors, even number of factors for n, it is nothing but total factors for n, total factors for n minus factors which are odd for n, which are odd number of factors for n. Even number of factors for n is nothing but total factors for number minus factors which are odd factors for n. Even factors is nothing but total factors for n are total factors for n minus factors which are odd for n. In fact, you also don't require this. You can directly write it. This is something which might result in a confusion. Directly you can solve it. Directly you can solve it. Let us solve the question. Let us solve the question. What is the question? Listen carefully, sir. Directly I am solving. Total 100 numbers are there. 100 natural numbers are there. Minus numbers which has got even number of factors, minus numbers which has got odd number of factors, minus numbers which has got odd number of factors. 100 numbers are there minus numbers which has got odd number of factors. Number which has got odd number of factors are called perfect squares. Number which has got odd number of factors are called perfect squares. What are the perfect squares in this number? All are even number. 2 square. 1 square cannot be taken because the set is an even number. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square, 12 square and 14 square. And 14 square. Odd numbers cannot be taken. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square, 12 square, 14 square. Totally 7 are there. 100 minus 7. Answer for this question is 93. Answer for this question is 93. Now listen carefully. Total there are 100 even natural numbers are written. 100 even natural numbers are written. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on up to 200. There are total 100 multiples of 2 are written. In that 100 multiples, he is asking how many numbers has even number of factors. How many numbers has even number of factors. Numbers which has got even number of factors. Numbers which has got even number of factors is nothing but total numbers. Total numbers. Praveen, total numbers minus numbers which has got odd number of factors. Numbers which has got odd number of factors. A number which has got odd number of factors is called a perfect square. How many perfect squares are there? Please do not take it as 14 square is 196, so 1 to 14. Domain is an even number. Only even numbers should be taken. Only even numbers should be taken. Right? So 2 square, 4 square, 6 square. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square, 10 square, 12 square, 14 square. Total 7 numbers are there. 100 minus 7 is 93. Answer for these things. Anand, your question is 2 is having 2 factors which is an even number. Yes, that will come. In that 100 numbers, Praveen padatledu. In that 100 numbers, I deleted 4, I deleted 16, I deleted. These are deleted. What is remaining? Right? 4 is deleted, so 6 is a possibility. Next one, 6 is a possibility. I hope it is clear, Anand. Out of 100, 7 are deleted. Out of 100, if I delete 7, 100 minus 7 is 93. Right? Good that today something good which I observed. There is a social learning that is happening. One student's doubt, another is answering. Please continue like that. I hope it is clear. Last question, tricky question. Please write down. Session 1 will be full of basics. Session 1 will be basics. Session 2 is an intermediate level. Session 3 is an advanced level. In the first class, I will go with basics. I hope it is clear. One more question. This is a CAT level question, but a pure fundamentals question. A pure fundamental question. What is this question? Question is like this. There is a number. Number has got x factors. I am squaring that number, n square. That has got y factors. If I do x plus y, I got 34. Find the nature of n. Beautiful question, which is a very conceptual question. There is a number which has got x factors. If I square that number, that is n square, I got y factors. X plus y is 34. Find the nature of n. Listen carefully, sir. It's a beautiful question which makes you use the concept. X plus y equivalent to 34. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, number of factors will be odd. That means y is an odd number. Something plus odd number is an even number. That something is an odd number. Odd plus odd is an even number. X is an odd number. X is the number of factors. If the number of factors are odd, then the number is a perfect square. Very, very good question, which makes you use the concept of a perfect square. Now see here. Again, I will repeat the question. Don't miss any of my sessions. If the class is at 6 o'clock, try to 6 at 6 o'clock. Because beginning of the class, if you miss it, next class, you will find it little difficult to comprehend. I will teach the way Rohit Sharma bats. Rohit Sharma starts his innings in a very slow pace. He will settle down. He will understand the pitch condition. He will understand the bowler psychology. He will understand the gaps. Then slowly he will move from a slow pace, turning into double hundreds. My teaching is similar to the way Rohit Sharma plays his innings. Start from basics, very conceptual, very basic, slowly, bite by bite, first bytes, then MB, then GB, then TB. Slowly I will put it into your subconscious mind. I hope it is clear. Very conceptual question. Very conceptual question. Most of the students thought that it is a difficult question. It is not a difficult question. It checks your understanding of the perfect square concept from the chapter factors and multiples. Question is, there is a natural number n. It has got x factors. Then there is a square of that number which has got y factors. X plus y is 34. X plus y is 34. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. Perfect square got odd number of factors. So y is an odd number. Something plus odd is an even number. X should be an odd number. If x is odd, if the number of factors are odd, then the number is a perfect square. Yes, you can determine the value of x and y. I am going to explain that question also. For your information, if n is less than 100, the answers which might satisfy is 2 square into 3 square. Answer for this question is 2 square into 3 square. First class Kranti, number is given, we are finding factors. Session 3, factors are given, how to find out the number. How to find out the number. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if this question is clear to you. And everybody is clear with till now whatever you have understood it. Whatever you have understood it, if it is clear to you, kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Varshit, x and b cannot be even. There is a catch in this question. The catch is, it is n square. It is not a variable. It is a number of factors for n square. It is a number of factors for n square. N square is a perfect square. A perfect square number of factors will always be odd. Y value has to be odd. You are just using x plus y equivalent to 34. You are not understanding what is x and y. X and y are not the variables here. X and y are not variables here. X and y are the number of factors here. X and y are the number of factors here. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Not a single doubt you should get in factors and multiples after my entire session on factors and multiples is over. What I observed in most of the YouTube videos is they will prepare 20 questions, they will solve it. I don't teach like this. Take a topic, start from basics, go to the highest level. Entire topic should be completed. I hope it is clear. Idea clear? N plus n square, x plus y is 34. Another question. Please write down. N is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the factors. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Concept. If a number is a perfect cube, if a number is a perfect cube, power can be either 0, or power can be multiple of 3. Am I right? Power can be 0 or power can be a multiple of 3. Similar to perfect squares only. Power can be either 0 or a multiple of 3. So method 1. Then method 2. Method 2. Any perfect cube, power will be 0 or power will be multiple of 3. So the factors which are perfect cubes is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 5 power 0. 2 into 1 into 1. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. 2 into 1 into 1. Answer for this question is 2. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. What is method 2? Method 2 is similar to the previous question. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Please write down. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Why are we dividing the power by 3? Perfect cube means power should be multiple of 3. Power should be multiple of 3. Why are we adding 1? Because anything power 0, 1 is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect cube. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3. So this will become 3 by 3 1 plus 1, 2 by 3 0 plus 1, 1 by 3 0 plus 1, 2 into 1 into 1. Answer is 2. Perfect square means divide the power by 2 and add 1. Perfect cube means divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Perfect square is divide the power by 2 and add 1. Perfect cube is divide the power by 3 and add 1. Fourth power is divide the power by 4 and add 1. Fifth power is divide the power by 5 and add 1. Divide the power by 5 and add 1. One or two examples to understand this concept clearly.